In this video, we will learn how to set the opening balance of any particular group of ledgers or the opening balance of all the ledgers as 0 in one click. So, to do that, we have to go to chart of accounts from gateway of Tally. Under that, we have to select ledgers. After selecting ledgers, we have to go to this multi-master. After that, we have to create MultiAlter. Here, if we wish to make the opening balance 0 of a particular group, like if you wish to make the opening balance 0 of only sundry creditor, then you have to select sundry creditor group here. After that, you have to press enter. Now, you can see there are 2 creditors in this company like this. So, in order to make the values 0, you have to click here 0 opening balance option. Once you click here, you can see the balance has been set to 0. Now, to accept the screen, you have to press Ctrl A. After that, if you wish to alter or you wish to make the opening balance 0 for many ledgers, then you can select all items here, and then you can get the list of all the ledgers who are having the opening balances. Even you can get the ledgers, you can get the list of all the ledgers who don't have opening balance. Now, in order to make the opening balance 0, you have to click here. You can see all the balance are now 0, and you have to simply press Ctrl A to accept the screen. Thank you.